Did you know that some tires are made up of more than 200 components? The primary materials forming a tire are synthetic and natural rubber, ensuring its survival in slippery or rough streets. Today we will see the top 6 world's largest tire manufacturer companies. Number 6 is MRF Tires. Madras Rubber Factory is an Indian multinational tire manufacturing company founded in 1946 in Chennai, India. It is the largest tire manufacturer in India. The company builds tires for motorbike, moped, scooter, etc. MRF is the only Indian tire manufacturer that produces Formula-style tires, rally tires, and motocross tires. It manufactures aircraft tires in addition to cricket gears, paints, and conveyor belts. MRF exports its products to more than 65 countries, and had $2.27 billion revenue in 2020. Next is Apollo Tires. Apollo was founded in 1972, and is one of the biggest tire manufacturers in India. The company produces tires for motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, agricultural machines, and industrial vehicles. It exports products to more than 100 countries. It had a $2.27 billion turnover in 2020, and has around 17,000 employees worldwide. Number 4 is Pirelli. The company was founded in Milan in 1872. Pirelli produces tires for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. They also supply specific tires to Formula One. The company produces 77 million car tires per year. It has 31,600 employees globally, and had more than €5.3 billion turnover in 2019. Goodyear is at number 3. The company was founded in 1898, and its headquarters is in Ohio, US. Goodyear has invented spring tire with NASA, which is used for outer space missions. The company produced 36.6 million tire units, including the tires it supplies to the F1. It had $12.32 billion revenue in 2020. Michelin is the second largest tire manufacturing company in the world. It was founded in 1889 in France. Michelin makes a variety of tires from bicycles to space shuttles. The company produces pneumatic bicycle tires, which shouldn't be glued to the rim. It exports tires to more than 170 countries. Currently, Michelin provides tires exclusively to MotoGP. Top on the list is Bridgestone. This Japanese multinational auto and truck parts manufacturer was founded in 1931 by Shojiro Ishiboshi. Bridgestone has provided tires to Formula One from 1997 to 2010, and F2 and F3 since 1980. It also supplies MotoGP and IndyCar series since 2000. It has 180 manufacturing plants in 26 countries and sells its products in more than 150 countries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow us for more exciting content.